increased my amount of repetitions to 15, and I'm pretty happy about that. So 6 sets of 15. So what is that? Total of 90 repetitions. It's pretty good. I would like to get up to 20 repetitions. Scooby 1961, I think he says, that you should do 20 repetitions. I don't think he was talking about doing 20 repetitions, 6 sets of 20 repetitions, but so I'm slowly working my way up the amount of repetitions. I started out with 7 repetitions, but um, now I'm up to 15. I'm going fast. I'm going fast with my repetitions, and I know that that's probably not so good. I probably would only do, maybe 10 repetitions or something like that if I was to do them slow. Um, and I don't want to fully extend my arms, so have my arms go straight and go all the way down, because then my elbows lock and it's really, really difficult to get back up again. Um, it's not necessarily because I'm working out my biceps, or I'm working out my trap muscles, or my lat muscles, or some of my other back muscles. It's more of just because the bones have locked in my arms, in my shoulders, and also in my elbows, and so I cannot. I have a really hard time fully extending my arms and getting a good workout. It's also good to just go up to your to the level of your eyes, where you can see it, just so you can see just over the bar. Um, and it's working out pretty good for me. I feel like I'm increasing in the amount of strength, and I'm getting stronger in my lat muscles.